wireless digital min-max thermometer features a unit of wireless receiver and transmitter. Each component operates using two standard alkaline battery AAA type. Once the battery installed into the battery compartments, the device unit will perform a self-test and display the readings after approximately 3 seconds. Place the receiver on the outside of the equipment door or wall. Alternatively, user can place the receiver device at their workstation or counter which located within 10 meters from the equipment. Place the transmitter at the preferred location inside your fridge or freezer. User is advisable to refresh the maximum temperature on the display before taking the reading. To clear and refresh the maximum temperature reading, press and hold the up and down arrow button simultaneously for 3 seconds. The wireless digital min-max thermometer displays a maximum and current temperature. To set the low limit temperature, press and hold the set button for 3 seconds. The display will change to setting mode. Press the up or down arrow button accordingly to set the lower limit value. Once done, press the set button again to display setting mode for high limit temperature. Press the up or down arrow button accordingly to set the high limit value. Once done, press the set button. The display will back to normal. When temperature is out of the set limit, the alarm will sound. LED light and alarm icon on the receiver display will flash. To turn off the alarm, press the alarm button once. The wireless digital min-max thermometer is pre-synchronized with default factory setting. To re-synchronize the device, first switch off both receiver and transmitter. Then, switch on both devices to start rematch. Once done, the device is fully synchronized and will back to normal mode.